The PASEO is a free annual festival that brings projection, installation, and performance art to the streets of Taos, transforming community through art and art through community. Every year, the STEMarts PASEO Youth Program supports the annual festival to connect youth and community to the latest trends in science, art, and technology. The 2018 Youth Program was built around the festival's theme of space. From virtual reality stations where youth experience otherworldly landscapes to a GPS interactive installation that transports students into outer space and back, to hacked gaming technology that helps raise awareness to noise pollution in our oceans. For the PASEO 2018 festival, close to 700 students from 12 schools in Taos County participated in visiting artist workshops, STEAM activities in the classroom, and a county-wide youth day in the Space Cloud. What makes STEMarts PASEO Youth Program so exciting is that students get to collaborate with the artists to create the art that then becomes part of the festival. So students are no longer just spectators, they become active participants. This is the perfect platform for students to play, explore, and imagine a better world. For more information about the STEMarts PASEO Youth Program, visit paseoproject.org.